Hello, in this speedrun, I would like to show you our current serverless capabilities. I won't set it up from the very beginning because it involves setting up a Kubernetes cluster. So basically, I assume that you already have Kubernetes cluster, and you can actually install Knative on top of your cluster with a click of a button using our interface once you have imported it under here. It should be here. I've set up for different projects, that's why you can't see many things run. But basically, we have this example repo. You can feel free to even fork it and look at it. And this shows you the functionality that I'm going through right now. So first of all, in order to run serverless workload, you need the Kubernetes cluster. You have to have Knative installed on top of it. And after that, basically, you can just use our template, serverless template, and I had to set it up to build it out simply. This is a more elaborate setup. This is the serverless part. The reason why it's more elaborate is because actually I'm going to use ChatOps to run this serverless function, and it needs a bit more thing, but actually the basic serverless functionality is just these two sections in the YAML file and the include template. So one thing is that we need the GitLab CI to be set up, and the other is the serverless YAML file that describes that actually this is the function's name. It's pretty much the generic serverless frameworks syntax. The handler can be found under the source directory. And what this code does is it looks at the release dates on specific projects on GitHub in order to notify us if there's a new release. The reason why this is pretty useful is that we actually want to be notified when Knative comes out with a new release. And as the CI jobs are run every day, we never miss a new release. To have this function ready, we need the JavaScript setup itself. Index.js is always by default defined that serverless implementation we look for based on the serverless YAML file that you have just seen. And it's a pretty generic JavaScript file. As we use project ref as the handler or as the runtime, we actually have to import it to make it a more meaningful message parsing, not just the basic payload parsing. And so here you write your JavaScript code. You can even add the task to run. And what it does actually is the following. I go to Slack. This is my Slack channel, where you can see a few things like the GitHub release checker. There's a new release in AWS. This was on Tuesday. Wednesday, they were actually even Knative serving and Knative eventing release is coming out January 22nd. Another Knative serving patch release came out on January 29th. And today I ran this ChatOps command just a few minutes ago, and it responded me that there's actually a new release of AWS SDK Go that was published yesterday. So this is the functionality behind, and how we achieve it is through ChatOps or scheduled CI/CD jobs. As I told you, we have scheduled jobs. These are the scheduled ones, where we just hit the serverless function with a predefined set of GitHub repo paths. And this last job is actually the job that I initiated with the ChatOps run. I'm going to show it's low. There's nothing spectacular about it. Basically, I just do a curl call. The repos are passed as a variable to the serverless URL, and then I put all of this into the output txt in order to make an integrated CI/CD job between the ChatOps call and the daily run. So this is one use case for our serverless setup, where basically you can do a scheduled job that you can run from ChatOps as well, and it just calls your serverless function with curl and responds the results to you.